How to find someone in Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find people on Discord. So now without further ado, let's get started. So the easiest way to find someone on Discord is by using their username. So let me show you how it works. So if you look at the bottom left corner of the screen, you'll see your name and right below it, you'll see your full username. This is the username you need to share with your friends so they can find you. So likewise, if you want to add a friend, you need to know their username and enter it in the designated box. Let me demonstrate and I'll add a friend right now. So type a username and after that tap on send friend request. And once the request goes through, you will see a confirmation message saying the request was sent successfully. And now you just have to wait for some time for them to accept your request. And once you get accepted, you can message them instantly by tapping any message in the chat. And that's it. That's how you can find someone on Discord. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.